Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel where we have ISRO's SSLV successfully launches Earth observation satellite into orbit. Now, students, whenever we talk about space development, it is crucial for India. Why? Because it helps the country achieve many important goals such as better communication, weather forecasting, and disaster management. So when India successfully launched the small satellite vehicle with an observation satellite on Friday, it was a big achievement because the satellite will help scientists observe Earth from space and provide important data about weather, agriculture, and even environmental changes. For example, the satellite can monitor crops. It will help, ultimately, it will help farmers know when to water or protect them from pest. है ना? अब सैटेलाइट से क्या होगा? जो लॉन्च किया है ऑब्जर्वेशन है, तो ऑब्जर्वेशन से क्या होता है? एग्जैक्ट फार्मर्स को हेल्प करेगा कि कैसे अपने फार्म को वो प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, नेचुरल डिजास्टर प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। तो इससे लोगों को टाइम मिल जाएगा प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए और सेफ रहने के लिए, है ना? And by advancing in space technology, India can improve life on Earth in many ways. Plus, these achievements show the world that India is becoming a leader in space exploration. Now, when we talk about the SSLV D3, है ना, यहाँ पे आप पढ़ोगे आर्टिकल तो यहाँ पे लिखा है SSLV D3. See, SSLV D3 student, it stands for Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, and this is its third mission. So SSLV is a rocket. Okay, it's a rocket designed by ISRO, India Space Agency, Indian Space Research Organization. है ना? ISRO is what? India Space Research Organization. India Space Agency, just like for US they have NASA, है ना? तो इंडिया में क्या है? ISRO. Now this SSLV is special because it is smaller, है ना? It is smaller and quicker to prepare than larger rockets. So it makes it easier and faster to send satellites into orbit. Okay, so basically SSLV launch vehicle, ये लॉन्च व्हीकल है, ये सैटेलाइट्स को लॉन्च करता है. ओके, and D3 simply means it's the third demonstration of this rocket. है ना? यहाँ पे D3 वर्ड भी है, तो जब आप आर्टिकल पढ़ोगे वहां पे लिखा है कि this is its third demonstration. So SSLV is a launch vehicle, एक लॉन्चिंग व्हीकल है. इस लॉन्च व्हीकल में हमने सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करी है. उस सैटेलाइट का नाम क्या है? EOS-08. So this is the satellite that SSLV D3 launched into space. And EOS stands for Earth Observation Satellite. And the number 08, it indicates its place in a series of similar satellites. So the EOS-0 satellite is designed. It is designed to take pictures and collect data about Earth. And it can observe things like forest, crops, rivers, and cities. So, इससे क्या होगा? It will help scientists study the environment and manage natural resources. And they can even predict disasters like floods and cyclones or droughts. So together, SSLV and D3 and EOS-08 are helping India improve its ability to monitor and understand our planet from space. Okay, and the good news is the rocket has placed the spacecraft in a very precise orbit. Okay, see the development the space sector is doing, right? Precise orbit में place किया है. So this is a big achievement for ISRO. All right, now let's move on to next article. We have National Film Awards, Uttam bags Best Film honor. Rishabh Shetty adjudged a Best Actor. Now, students, National awards. What are national awards? Basically, they are awards for movies. And you might wonder कि movies को क्यों प्राइज मिलना चाहिए? See, national awards for movies are important because they are they basically recognize the best films, actors, directors, and other talented people in the film industry. These awards are like a big thank you to those who work hard to create movies that entertain, educate, and inspires. है ना? So winning a national award motivates filmmakers to keep making great movies, and it also encourages them to be creative and take risks in telling new stories. And whenever a national award is given to any film, they highlight the best movies and performances, showing what quality filmmaking looks like. Okay, and these awards anyway, it gives recognition to talented artists, many of who actually work behind the scenes, like editors, music composers, and costume designer. So basically it lets them know their hard work is appreciated. And to summarize, it's important. So national awards for movies are quite vital because they honor the best in this industry, and it also inspire creativity, right? तो जब आप देखोगे इस आर्टिकल को, आप इसको अच्छे से पढ़ना, and you'll come to know that गुलमोहर got the first Hindi film award, है ना? And Malayalam film Attam won the best film, best editing, and best screenplay awards. ठीक है? तो अट्टम को क्या मिला है? बेस्ट फिल्म का, बेस्ट एडिटिंग और बेस्ट स्क्रीन प्ले अवार्ड मिला है. इसी तरह बेस्ट एक्टर किसको मिला है? ऋषभ शेट्टी को मिला है. ऐसे आप इस आर्टिकल को अच्छे से पढ़ना. All right, students, that's it for today. Bye bye. Have a happy learning.